An IUL is a life insurance policy, but the people that understand how it works knows that this is not just about leaving money for people when you die. If you structure this account properly, there are multiple benefits to having this account that you can take advantage of while you are still alive. The first benefit is that this account offers liquidity. So you can stack as much money as you want into this account and you have access to pull it out whenever you want to. Now, why would you put your money into an IUL as opposed to putting it in a bank account? Well, if you read any book about money, you know that the place for you to put your money and see it grow is in the stock market. The problem with that is when the stock market crashes and burns, so does your money. In an IUL, you get the ability to participate in the stock market, and I say participate, not invest, for a reason, and we'll get into that in a little bit. So, the IUL allows you to get interest on your money as if you were in the stock market. However, when the market crashes and burns, your money stays the same. Unlike being in the stock market and actually investing and potentially losing your money when the market crashes, your money is either going to go up or stay the same. Now, the reason why I said you get to participate and not invest in that is if you're investing, the IRS is going to tax you on investing. And technically, since this is life insurance, this brings us into benefit number 3. If you're going to put $10,000 into an IUL versus $10,000 in the stock market, any money that grows in the stock market, the IRS is going to tax you for that. Any money that grows in your 401k, the IRS is going to tax you for that as well. Now, any money that grows in an IUL, according to tax code 72E, 7702, and 101A, the IRS does not consider that as an investment, so your money is 100% tax-free. Doesn't matter if it grows to $10,000 or $10 million. The IRS will not tax that money. Now, that leads us into benefit number 4, right, which most people don't really think about, is in the event that if you can no longer work, well, the best case scenario is you get to work a lot, you put a lot of money into this IUL, you get to pull it out and live a tax-free retirement. Now, let's just say in the event you become critically, chronically, or terminally ill, you can no longer work. An IUL is going to give you a payout where you can use your policy's death benefit while you're alive to make sure that you can make it through. Now, while all of this sounds amazing, an IUL is not something where you can just be like, oh, hey, Mike, I want to get an IUL. No, it's something that you do have to qualify for, and there's an application process, and that has to be done by an IUL specialist. So if this is something that you want to see if you can qualify for, go ahead and comment IUL below, and I'll get you the next steps to see if we can get you approved.